So guys, we made it here to Fuji Q Highland. I can't believe how close we are to the station. I've just come off that train there. And there's Ichinaika. So I'm going to see how much this has set me back. I've come all the way from downtown Tokyo. So probably about 20, 25 pounds. That's not too bad. That's actually a lot better than I thought, considering it was quoting about 40 pounds. But we're going to get in now. We're going to find a locker. Welcome to Fuji Q Highland. We finally made it here in Japan. I can't wait to ride the likes of Ichinaika, Takabisha and Dododonpa. Look at that, look. Here at Fuji Q Highland, Takabisha. There's Ichinaika. So I've just sat down for a quick food break. I've got some cheese balls here, which are absolutely delicious. I've also got this thing in here. I forget what it's called. I think it's like squid or some kind of like octopus. I've also got, to wash it all down, some melon soda. Here we go. It's so creamy and sweet, savoury, all at the same time. Oh. Definitely try out the cheese balls. Holy moly. There's nothing in this world I've had that's like this. Now it's time for the mystery meat. It's definitely some kind of creature from the sea. It's quite nice. Nice flavour, just a little bit tough. I'd give it an 8 out of 10. Okay, so with the food successfully destroyed and the drink all finished, let's go ride Ichinaika. Woo! Yeah! Ichinaika, best roller coaster in Japan. Do-dodonpa. Here we go.
Launch time! 3, 2, 1!
Yeah! Whoa! Oh my god! Yeah! Whoa! Do-dodonpa! Woo! Oh my god! Holy crap! So not only does this park offer spectacular world-class roller coasters, but look at that for a view. Konnichiwa! Fuji-san. Just over there, Mount Fuji. Woo! Here we go. Let's start spinning. Woo! Oh yeah, come on. Oh, nearly. Here we go. Oh! What? Yahoo! Woo! Yahoo! Oh! 11, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Ah, 46. Check it out, guys. I just got a round of applause from everyone, including these guys as well, because I just got today's high score. How cool is that? Now let's go ride Fujiyama. Here we go. Send it. It's Mount Fuji, look. Oh crap! Right on! Woo! Ah, my body hurts.